I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating a new device on Freedom Canada can be a bit tricky, but following these steps will make it easier. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the activation process, make sure you have your new device, eSIM card, and account details handy. This includes your Freedom Mobile account number and any personal identification needed. Step 2. Insert the eSIM card. Before activation, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 3. Power on the device. Turn on your device by pressing the power button. Wait for the device to boot up completely. You should see the Freedom Mobile logo if the eSIM is recognized. Step 4. Connect to Wi-Fi. Once your device is on, connect it to a Wi-Fi network to ensure you have internet access during the activation process. This will help you download any necessary updates. Step 5. Complete the activation. Open the Freedom Mobile app or visit their website to complete the activation process. Follow the prompts to enter your account information and confirm the activation. If you encounter any issues, check the settings in your device's network menu. If you follow these steps, you should have your new device activated in no time. If you run into any hiccups, don't hesitate to reach out to Freedom Mobile customer support for assistance. Happy connecting!